Yes, big up on yourself, subscribers, big up on yourself. You link there today. You line up to go up on the road late again every day, boy. I don't know. I'm being a busy man, busy people. So as I come down on the road you know, people, make sure to turn down the music because it's too loud, you know. As I come down on the road, people, guess what I tell you me now? This man here, me I play my tune in my car. He beg me a drive, right? This man, say I'm a Christian. Say I'm a Christian. He beg me a drive in my car now. Me I come down the road now, this man beg me a drive. That's why I sure say, you know, good for sorry for people, you know. You understand? You know, good for sorry for people sometime. Yeah, no. Me give this man a drive, right? Give him a drive, you know, and I drive with him. This man hear my music now. He might just look by me and tell me something I need God. No, big man thing, you know, people. Honest, man. He might look by me and tell me some me need fucking... Yo, me need more cuss the bad word still, you know. But look at this now, people. This man gonna look by me and judge me and say me need God. And he don't know how spiritual I been, you know. Eh? Nothing wrong with the music when I play and I carry people. Honestly, don't think nothing wrong with that there. I'm a mix CD me there I play. And that's all a vibe. And the man beg me a drive, you know. Yeah? He might look by and say, me need God. He never explain to me and try to teach me something first before. That's the first speech come out of the man. You see that the man, the people, I devil them there, you know. You understand? You know about some devil where I walk on God land. I them that, you know, people. And a destruction and parasite them, you know. You understand? And a them come to stop you, you know. But you see tomorrow me I go burn them out, man. Wicked man. Because I devil, man. I don't know where this devil come from in the idea, you people. Just so you know. So good. So good. You understand, people? So good. You understand? And this devil, eh, from nowhere, this devil, you understand? Eh? Me say, Father God, me beg you, you know. Me beg you, heal that devil for me. You understand? Eh? Me beg you, heal that devil for me. Because, yo, people, me are telling you, you know. Me was so good in my car when me look up vibe. You me music, them people, me I play. And this old boy, I come tell me, say, me, yo, people, but me I tell him truth. Me stop my car to blood clit and me tell him to come out of that, you know. Yeah. Me tell him to come out. And him isn't even a Jamaican, you know, people. Tell you the honest truth, that boy is not Jamaican, you know. And once one of them come St. Louis and them country they come from, you know. Me stop my car and me tell him to come out, people. Me tell him to come out. You understand, queer people? You see all them people in the front, me watch them. Watch them bumbo clot, you know. You see it? Look how the blood clot them a ride the bike now. Me want to go hurt me late now. You see how them a ride in front bumbo clot people. Eh? With the fucking bike. Eh? Watch them. It's them pussy clot people are coming. Watch them. Watch how them a ride the bike, people. Just watch them. Eh? And if you give me a Sunday break now, I'm going to lick him now in bumbo clot now yesterday. They lock me up because white people, them, you know, people. Rent the fucking old bike them. Watch them. Eh? What the fuck they not go park up and go take, but they don't want to pay bumbo clit taxi to carry them around the place, then go in a bike. You get what me I say, people? No, look on it, look on it. Eh? Me have to show you, me have to cut my topic for showing this to the people because more want in the day with me I see them people and make me lick them off of this ras bike and you can say, are them wrong, you know, because all the while they do it, no people, then we all just stop and make me a bloop, you know them, you know. And the trouble me getting a problem, you know, people. Just watch them. Watch them people now. Me there, there with me and I see where I go on with new link. You understand? Eh? Me are telling no people that them are sitting on have to go through a foreign, you know. And them are bumbo click man have to go. That's why I'm just in no place like yard. Because I'm late for my work and I know people. New link late. And you see it? This destruction. A day destruction I go on idea, you know, people. See right now, YouTube they report the thing again. They stop one of my video them again. You understand? When my video get stopped again. Because they report my video again. Bad mind them are work people, but they now go stop new link production. Let me tell them that. You understand? They start on my video, man. But me not listen to that boy there. Because after me write that boy and boy attack me, I call him name every day. Why the fuck you don't leave my channel alone? You go report my channel. Eh? I mean, even not calling you now, you can't be. When me attack them, but the boy don't say nothing to me, that's a new link where you understand? Because Me no, you know them, I see this boy again. And this boy gonna report my video. YouTube don't tell me every information how everything I who make report. You understand? So New Link know everything. You understand? See them, you see where people. Me still have the back of them. See there? Watch them. Eh? Watch the people. No, watch her now. You see them slow down the blood clot bike in front of me now. Eh? Right now, 40 me I feel my car in me late to blood clot work. Right now, I drive got 120 me I push my car in. Eh? Watch her now. You see how I go on, people? Hmm? Look when New Link after you go through. Eh? You watch all like the rasta over the stuff you musketeer in a glass. Watch him. Me now run a blood clot taxi at top my car virgin. I work me I go. Boom. You see the same fucking thing, people? Eh? You see the same fucking thing me tell about the raw seed that people? Eh? You see the same thing? Eh? A problem they want to get money in a place here, you know. Watch her. Watch her. Watch her to her ass. Watch him look a girl too. Eh? Look how she hold on for him blood clot for him bike. Watch there. Eh? Watch there. Watch there. So they then go rent a fucking car. Look where they go rent out. Then fucking cheap. Watch her. Y'all a big blood clot truck there come. They hear bloop and I don't want to do them still, you know. I want them safe still, but I'm going to tell you. They have sense till they put on the indicator that me like. Now have sense. So they put on the indicator people. So at least I can know them and go. Same place me I go still with them. You see it same corner me I take round the roundabout with them. Same way. But me love how they have sense. Watch a bumbo clot. Jesus going to go eat up in the car back I carry people. If they carry them I go back and lick off in blood clot, you know, Jesus. Why? Me nah eat up back of them people. No, watch. Me nah eat up back of them. New Link nah eat up back of them. Watch them people. Me nah eat up back of them a blood clot. Me nah eat up, sir. Me nah eat up people. Watch them. Watch her people. Watch her. Watch her. Watch her run the roundabout. Watch her now. Watch her. Watch her. Watch her. Watch her. Watch them. Watch them blood clot there. Make them go on people. Make them blood clot go on. Me no want dead with them. Make them go on. New Link now go be one to kill them. You could have push up back of them people, but make them blood clot go on. Watch out. Now go running out people. You see? Watch out people that body blood clot. No blood clot. I kill you no one kill bumbo clot, man. You see that people? Eh? You see them body blood clot boy there now. I run about and the man them come and they see. I'm there run about already, you know. And the body boy they now stop again New Link. Eh? Just them people tell you to blood clot. People, yo. And them can tell about people when they are foreign, I have to go through one bag of thing in the people. Eh? I go catch back them by people at the blood clot people. So I go on. Watch New Link. Watch me people. Watch it. Watch how New Link drive. Watch it. Watch me people. Watch me. See them at the blood clot. I pass them people. Watch it. See them there. Pass me apart because I'm late. Then I two you with them on the highway now. You see it people. See them there. Then alright people. We're gonna leave them. Eh? Big up on the subscriber boy, I tell you say them are sitting and New Link go through a foreign to blood clot. Eh? Every day people want to kill me on the road. Yo, tomorrow, I'm going to read some Psalms on the blood clot. Remember me telling you that. I get up and read some Psalms on. Remember me telling you. Yes, my subscribers, big up on the damn self. I don't know where I go. USA, I say my biggest set of fans then there USA. Big up on yourself. And that me I say USA, me I get my most views from. And me I pray say Jamaica, you know. Bumbleclate. USA big, but big up everywhere still. Canada did a good with me. England did a good with me. Right now, my leading viewers are USA, and we say England. Then me say Canada. Then Jamaica. You see it? TCI. Them they are last to us. The place over there they are last. Them are people I'm not too. Them not too. A certain thing. That's why I not left out my Jamaican people. They never sell out New Link production yet. You understand? The whole Jamaican them who live all around the world me are talking. So I mean Jamaican who live a yard, you know, I mean Jamaican all over the world. You understand? They never sell out New Link production yet. So I have to big them up. You get what I say? I have to big them up. Yeah man. The people carry around, see there. 100 me a lick right now. See the people. 100 me a lick in night. You see it come late. See there? Now climb it wall maybe one. Watch. Go up, push it, go up in the people. Watch me. You see it? Carry fast like a bullet, you see it? Climb New Link or climb it, because New Link late. The gear done in these people. Remember, so I carry a stick channel because I tell you, you can drive matic and stick. So my gear done, you see that? Put it back in a drive, you see it? And I lick it back. That's how I do it, people. Big up on yourself, man. I love my subscribers, them, I see, man. I just love enjoy God work with you all night day. I don't even know. Under AC, cool, new link, cool under AC today. And chill back and relax. You see the people. Yeah, they carry a ball, you know. Say carry a ball, people. People big up on yourself. Everybody who have them car, big up on yourself. You understand? Everybody who walk foot, big up on yourself. You know something not going wrong, you have to get what you want. You understand? Because you have to go through it before you reach it. Don't push yourself to get it, like go do the wrong thing to get it or make it. Once you work hard for what you want and you achieve what you want, bad mind can't stop you. Remember me tell you that. You can't stop your people. Learn that. Hard work brings success. You hear that? Enough people don't want to work for what they want. That me I tell you now. So I respect my people who work for what they want. You understand? I respect them, the people who work for what they want and think. Because enough people don't want to work, you know. You see me? Watch out people, traffic again for new link to blood clot. When me late, watch out, me I go over the side of people. Me need to put on an indicator. Let me teach you something about the highway now, people. You see, like I dip on the two-way highway, each time you go in a lane, make sure you look on your side mirror and use the indicator. Look, you see me I go over the lane now. You go put on my indicator and go over there. You understand me? Blicky, because at least they know. So you go there. And you put on that and go over there and the accident, you're wrong. Totally wrong, people. So you have to think about the caution is on the highway. You see me? You have to teach you how to do it, you know, because enough people don't know, so I have to teach you now. Big up myself, big up big up everybody, man. I big up myself though. You mean new link, you have to big up yourself though. And big up everybody. You don't know the thing about tuning and watch new link out there. Don't deal with the pastor, the boy there will come and tell man foolishness to them, man. You understand, people? But new link I go cut it now because I don't know, so I almost reach work and I'm late, so I go run out of the car and me there, so I now go, you understand, people? So just big up on yourself, my subscriber. You don't know the thing, go. New link production is here. You understand? Big up on your damn self, man. You don't know the thing, go. New link love when you like cook food. Big up on yourself, people. Up, 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 up. New link production. Up, up, up. Big up.